Today, the proponent of the Kalam cosmological argument stands comfortably within the scientific mainstream in holding that the universe began to exist. Our second argument concerns the problem of mathematics' applicability to physical phenomena. Applicability has to do with what mathematician and physicist Eugene Wigner famously called the unreasonable effectiveness of mathematics in the natural sciences. Mathematics is the language of nature. That is to say, the laws of nature may be expressed as mathematical equations which describe the phenomena to an astonishing degree of accuracy. In his seminal paper, Wigner states his principal point as follows: